Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. I have a very exciting unboxing to do today, so if you want to see what I picked up from Louis Vuitton, then just keep on watching. Alright, so in the box came this, which is the box that the item comes in. I did order this online because obviously at the current moment everything is closed in person, and it also came with my receipt, so we don't need the receipt. But just to preface this video a little bit, I was supposed to go to Europe, so I had been saving up to make some luxury purchases over there, but that obviously did not happen because of the whole situation going on in the world right now. So I decided that I would just buy the main thing I wanted to get over here, which is in this box. So it comes beautifully packaged. I absolutely love their packaging. I love the blue and orange together. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Now I do want to say I did open this. I tried to not mess up the packaging because I had to inspect it, and I will give you the backstory to this item after we open it up. So I'm gonna just undo the ribbon. And then the box is like a little bit of a drawer. So I do like to keep my boxes, but you're not supposed to store the items inside of the box. They say that you can cause damage to the item that way. You're only supposed to store it in the dust bag. So once I take it out of this box, it's not going to go back in. So let me pull it out. And then it comes in this little like flap bag. So let me open her up. I picked up the Louis Vuitton MM Agenda in the Damier Ebene print. I was so torn between monogram and this one. I love monogram and I love this one as well. Ultimately I went for this one because the monogram was not available, and the other thing I was thinking was if I'm ever, you know, in a job where like I have to go to meetings and I want to bring this, I feel like this is a little bit more not in your face, because you would really only know what this is if you are into Louis Vuitton pretty much, you know, or if you're familiar with the brand. So the monogram though, that is pretty much in your face, and a lot of people can figure out what that is even if they're not very familiar with the brand or luxury goods. So I figured this one would be nice, and the other reason I wanted this one is because the leather on the inside is very dark, whereas the monogram is more of like a camel color, I guess you could say. So I do want to say that the first one of these that I ordered, this is actually a second one. I had to return and exchange the first one. The first one, the rings were messed up. It was very slight, but for the amount of money that, you know, we spend on these products, you want it to be perfect. So, and the other thing is, I've heard that over time, you know, through years of use, the rings do become a little bit not perfect. So it's like, I don't want to start off using the item if the rings are not perfect. So I contacted their customer service online, and she complimentary overnighted me a new one, which normally that is $20. So she complimentary overnighted it to me because I was having problems. But otherwise it is perfect. This is what it looks like on the inside. I did just notice a little bit on the like glazing. There's like a, I don't know if it's like, you're not gonna be able to see it, but it's like a little bit of a rough spot, but it's fine. I'm not really that worried about it. You know, otherwise everything looks perfect. And I did get lucky, and mine is made in France. Now, some people are very particular about their items being made in France, and I've heard of people not even buying an item if it's not. For me, I don't care. I have items that are made in France, made in USA, so it doesn't really bother me. This one just happened to be made in France, so I guess that is lucky. But I decided I wanted to go with this system, with the ring-bound system, because I was using Erin Condren planners, but I was using multiple different planners for different things, and it was just getting to be a lot to carry around. So I figured I would try out this system. I did actually buy one of these pre-owned a long time ago, and the system just didn't work for me, but I don't think I was really using it the way I wanted to use it. I was kind of copying like what other people in the planner community were doing, and I just don't think I was like really utilizing the system to the best of its potential. But now I really, you know, I looked over a ton of different inserts and I watched a ton of different videos for ideas, and I think that this system is going to be perfect for me because then I can just carry around this one planner. The Erin Condren ones are quite a bit bigger than this as well, so it will be nice to like downsize to something that will fit in my, I mean, it's not going to fit in my Gucci crossbody, but it's it's nice and small. I mean, look at it in relation to my head. It's not that big. So I feel like this is going to be just a great system. So this planner does feature a bunch of card slots. I probably am not going to keep like cards in there because I have, you know, I have a wallet and card holders for that. But I'll probably put some like post-it notes and just anything that I might need in this section. And then in the back there is like a little secretarial pocket, which I love for if I need to just like place something in here that I just need to have access to but don't necessarily need it in my planner, you know, if that makes sense. So I am going to do a setup of this, so you'll have to stay tuned for that. I will probably post the setup pretty close to the posting of this video, just that way you can, you know, that way you can see the setup. I know this is a little bit different for my channel. I do feel like this is in the realm of like fashion. You know, Louis Vuitton is a fashion house, so I feel like it kind of fits with my channel, but it's also like a lifestyle type of video. So I hope you guys don't mind, but I really do think that this is going to be great and I am obsessed with it. I absolutely love Louis Vuitton and just luxury bags and leather goods like this, so I'm super excited. So in here it also comes with just a little like QR code, and then it also has the like the material, which is coated fabric cowhide leather lining. So the outside is canvas and then the inside is the leather. I think this is just a beautiful piece, and I'm very excited to have it in my collection. So yes. Anyway guys, that is it for this video. This was just a really quick unboxing of this item. I wanted to share it with you guys before I do my setup video. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you go so you don't miss any future videos. And that is it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.